Hi viewers, welcome to interview.com. In this video, I'll be giving you some questions which will be asked in Core Java interview for freshers. If you are a fresher and preparing for Java interview, Core Java interview, please be aware of this question. Be prepared. Answer for this question. Be prepared. Okay. Without knowing this question and answer, don't even enter the interview. These are all very basic questions that you should know. Okay, what is final? What is the collections API? What is the list interface? What is the vector class? What is an iterator interface? Which Java util classes and interfaces support event handling? What is the locale class? What is the highest level event class of the event delegation model? What is the collection interface? What is the typical use of hash table? What is the difference between the size and capacity of a vector? Can a vector contain heterogeneous objects? What is polymorphism? How do you implement polymorphism in Java? Can we create an object of an abstract class? Can an interface extend a class? Math, will it? Okay, here I've given example. Math is equal to new math. Will it compile successfully? If math is a final class, you can't. So you should be aware whether it's a final class or not. So something like that. So tricky question, whether you know the meaning of final or not. Something like that the interviewer want to check. Okay, if it's a final, you can't extend, and if it is an abstract class, you can't do a new, something like that. Okay, what is heap? If the, and one more thing is, if the constructor is made as private, then you can't do this. So something like that. So tricky questions. Okay, what is heap? What is heap? Hope this video is useful. If you are a fresher, you should know the question and answer for this. I'm trying to share the questions to you. In future videos, I'll be presenting the answer for these questions. Okay, if you are a core Java developer, and if you are a fresher, okay, if you are a fresher and you are looking to become a core Java developer, please prepare answer for this question. Okay, for more Java interview questions and answers, log on to interview.com, India's top interview guide. We have posted thousands of Java interview questions in our website. Please utilize these resources. Thank you for watching this video. All the best for interview. Thank you.